This is the Motor Nature Trail.
I don't think we started it yet.
Yeah, it's still 2 ways.
We're on Cherokee Orchard Road.
Yeah, I said, there's a sign. Roaring Fork. It's 2.7 miles from here, I guess.
Yep.
We'll know we're on it when the double yellow lines disappear, but it was pretty back there. But there's one thing about these back roads is they're narrow and they twist. And you don't want to do it at night. In fact, it's probably closed at night because I think it would be dangerous to drive it at night. They might be getting ready to pedal it. So as narrow and twisty as this is, it's going to get even more narrow because this is 2 lanes.
Yeah, but it's not narrow and twisty on the side of a cliff like it did the last time.
I think when we get to the one-way part, it'll be narrow and twisty and on the side of a cliff. Is it 10 miles an hour through here?
They're sightseeing.
Well, there's nothing to see but trees and rocks right now. Unless they're looking in the forest for bears. Hey, bear. I got peanuts and almonds and what else? Pecans and hazelnuts. Bears like nuts. I don't know. What are you walking in the woods for? There's be a swimming pool back there. Campground. Hotel. He's looking for his place. Oh yeah, he's gonna get over. That's right. Callaway. going for a walk in the woods. Maybe they had to go pee. There's somebody down there in the woods. Ogle Place. A place to ogle.
Yeah, some overlook.
That's all right. We don't need to do this.
I don't know. There's something down there, I guess. There's a sign up here what it's about.
It says it's Ogle. Look. Rainbow Falls Trailhead.
Ogle Farm. Oh, okay. There, down there.
It's a trailhead. There's you park so you can.
Can you see down there?
Yeah.
Okay, got some.
If you want to take every single trail.
Yeah.
There's cabins.
Yep.
And the doors are off, so you can go in and look inside the cabins.
Right. Yep.
This is the fork that I told you about, and it's clearly marked one way.
Yep.
That's the little narrow road.
Okay.
This begins the trail.
That's not as bad as it looked like in the video. It's not as narrow. Or maybe it does up ahead. It gets there. This is not bad.
Well, it's just wide enough for your tires to be on. That's about it.
A little more. No,
A little more.
This is a.
Like I said, I wouldn't want to be doing it in the dark.
Lane width. That video looked like a lot narrower.
I thought we would be up along a ridge line. Somebody behind us?
Yeah, let them go by. Yeah, there's a bunch. Like,
There's a path down in the woods if you want to go for a walk in the woods. How many cars are behind us?
Half a dozen. It's almost like a convoy. And more. I wonder if there's a group doing something at a place. That's a lot of cars for this all at once, all together.
Yeah. Is that it? Oh, that's a van. I saw something white in the woods. I thought it was a critter. I saw movement.
Oh, I'm sure.
The road goes like that.
Yeah.
I don't know. I think you should have made him stay behind us.
Well, they looked like they were. That one truck, Granny there, she was the one who was poking before, and then she was coming up on a bumper, and now she's poking again.
Well, I mean, it's scenic, and they're trying to get their view worth, but
I know, but she pulled over, we went by, and then she coming up on our bumper. I mean, one or other lady. You know? Either there's something going on somewhere, but this is very popular because now there's more people behind us.
yeah, well, she's going really, really, really slow. It's not that harrowing of a drive.
Mm-hmm.
It goes off that way. I see the cars. That one road that we took was even more on a ridge line than this one when we went exploring on the side roads. This must be a trailhead. Rainbow Falls, yep. So trailhead parking. A lot of people want to go to Rain.
Did you want to? Yes, no, make it a
No, not.
Okay.
I don't. For one thing, I don't know how long of a walk it is.
I don't know if there's any parking
Yeah.
available.
It says additional Rainbow Fall parking ahead.
Yeah.
Is that it? Like too much.
Yeah. No, up ahead. Yeah, but then you got to hike all the way back up there.
I don't know how far the
Yeah.
Rainbow Falls trail
Unless
is.
there might be a different trail to it.
Stop. How long is this trail for Rainbow Falls?
Oh, I'm not sure. I lost service like a while
Yeah.
back. I'm sorry.
Okay. Are you going to walk the fall trails? Rainbow Fall, are you doing that?
Yeah.
Do you know how long the trail is?
I think it was 8.1 is what I just read.
8 miles?
I believe so. That's what it says. There's an app called All Trails you can
Yeah.
download and
I think it's supposed to be less than that.
I mean that's what it says.
Wow, that's a lot. That's a long
But-
walk
okay.
for old people.
Yeah.
It might be pretty, steep too.
Yeah.
That one video, it was. I was looking at it, thinking, got good
There's
hiking shoes.
no. I changed shoes.
Yeah, but it was. You want? Okay.
It's 8 miles. We'll do a shorter one.
Okay. No, I'm just saying it looked awful rocky, and you got. Yeah, those are okay, but
Yeah, I wouldn't. I wore
it
my
looked
car.
like the kind of trail's a good opportunity to sprain an ankle.
I don't know. They should. One of the things that
And the other
that
thing
you
is-
should be able to look up is the.
The other thing is, in town there, if you hike all the way down, you got to hike all the way back up.
Yeah.
Okay, so what we got going on here? Okay, Ogle Place, Gatlinburg, Rattle Falls Trail.
Roaring Fork. This might actually be the actual
Yeah, that's what.
trail.
There, yeah, 1-lane road. Okay, yeah. That was. Right.
Roaring Fork Motor Trail. This is it. Yeah.
This is the trail.
And they close it. And it's 10 miles an hour. So all this driving was leading up to the trail.
Mm-hmm.
I was gonna say, so far I wasn't impressed, but they said that the YouTuber that did a video on it, they said they did it twice. It was really pretty. And it's, you can see the valley over here. Where's all the bears? This is the Sunshine Creek Trail. See, it's a 1/10 of a mile. So now. coming out of the tree line. Might be another trailhead. No, it just says do not
Kind of
enter.
scenic overlook.
Wow.
Do you want to pull over?
Yeah. Take a picture.
Okay.
Wow, look at that. So wonder people are parked here. I think they must have had a fire because all the trees are either that or just a whole
Yeah,
strand
they
of
had a fire.
disease.
You see all that up over there? That's new growth.
How long have I been doing this?
What?
The camera's aimed at me.
Like we were just